shapes and sizes. Hello, sun. Hello, moon. Hello, everybody. Look, all the different pieces have all left the board. Let's see if you can put them back in their correct places. Can you fit the bee back in its place? Try again. You'll get it right. Well done! You got it right. Now let's see if you can fit the crow back on the board. You did it again. You put the crow back on the board. But can you fit the shape of the owl back in its place? Let's try again. You can do it. You did it! You put the owl back on the board. Now, one last shape is left. What about the parrot? I bet you could find its place as well. Well done! Look at the board. You've managed to put all the different shapes back in their correct places. Congratulations! A bee, an owl, a crow, and a parrot. All the shapes are back in their correct places on the board. Goodbye, sun. Goodbye, moon. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.